Hi friends, this is new video tutorial in Laravel, and here we will use Ajax with Laravel. By using Ajax with Laravel we will make simple live MySQL data search script. We have already make this type of tutorial in PHP and CodeIgniter framework. There are many viewers have requested us to make this type of web tutorial in Laravel also, so here we have published this tutorial, in which we have search or filter MySQL table data and display filter result on web page. We have to just enter query in text box and it will display filter result on web page. Now start discussing this topic. So this is our testing database, and in this we have one customer table with 6 table column. In this table we have already inserted some data for our learning purpose. We will make Laravel application for search data from this table. This is our Laravel application folder. First we have to make database connection in Laravel, so we have open.env file. Under this file we have set database credential like host name set to localhost, database name set to testing, username set to root, and password set to blank. After this we have go to config folder and open database.php file. Under this file also we want to set MySQL database credential. After making of database connection, now we want to make controller in Laravel. So we have go to command prompt, in which we have already execute composer command for Laravel dependency. Under this we have run this command. This command will make controller with name live search in app folder /http/controller folder. So we have opened this live search controller, and under this we have make index method. So when we have called this controller, then this index method will execute. Under this we have write return statement with view method, and under this we have write live search view file. This code will load this view file on browser when we have called live search controller. Now we have go to resource/view folder, and here we have open live search.blade.php file, which we have already made. Under this file we have already included JavaScript library and Bootstrap library. We will use functionality of both library. Now we have moved to write HTML code, and here we have write input type is equal to text, name, and ID is equal to search, and placeholder is equal to search customer data. If we want to search data, then we can enter search query under this text box. So when we have write something under this text box, then it will live search data from MySQL customer table. Now we have write span tag with ID is equal to total records. Under this tag we will display total filter data. Below this we have create HTML table with 5 table column like customer name, address, city, postal code, and country. Under table we have write open and close table body tag. Under this tag we will display customer data by using Ajax request. Now we have moved to write jQuery code, and in this we have make fetch customer data function with argument query is equal to blank. This function will return customer data if query argument is equal to 0, but if query argument has some value then it will return filter customer data and display on web page. Under this function we have start write Ajax request, and under this we have write URL option set to root function with live search.action. Here we have send request to action method of live search controller. In second option we have write method option. Under this we can define in which method we have send data to server. Here we have use get method. In third option we have write data option, and under this we can define which data we should send to server. So here we have write query variable. In fourth option we have write data type, and here we have write JSON. That means we will receive data in JSON format. Lastly we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this function we have write $ with table body tag with HTML method, and under this we have write data.table data variable. This code will display customer data on web page in HTML table format. Below this we have write $ with span tag ID total records with text method, and under this we have write data.total data variable. This will display total number of records under span tag ID total records. Now we have go to live search controller, and here first we have write use statement with database class for database operation. After this we have write function action method with request argument. This method will receive Ajax request for fetch data from customer table. Under this function we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $request variable with Ajax method. This condition will check if this method has received any Ajax request or not. If this method has received any Ajax request then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write $query variable is equal to $request variable with get method, and under this we have write query. Here we store value of query variable. Now we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $query variable is not equal to blank. If this condition true then it will execute if block of code, otherwise it will execute else block of code. If $query variable is blank then it will execute else block of code, and this time we have want fetch all data from customer table. So we have write $data variable is equal to database class with table method, and under this we have write customer table. This code will make select star from customer table query. After this we have add order by method with two argument like customer ID in descending order. This method will add order by clause to select query. Lastly we have write get method. This method will execute query and return data in PHP object array. But suppose $query variable value is not blank, then we have to return search or filter customer table data. So here we have write $data variable is equal to database class with table method, and under this we have write customer table. After this we have add where method with 3 argument like customer name column, like statement with $query variable. This code will add where clause with like search query. Here we have add or where method with address table column with like statement with $query variable. This method will add or operator for search data in address table column. For search data in city table column we have write or where method, and under this we have write city table column with like statement with query variable. Same for search postal code table column data, we have write or where method, and under this we have write post code table column with like statement with $query variable. Lastly, we want to search data in country table column. We have write or where method with country table column with like statement. This code will search data in country table column. So when $query variable is not blank, then it will search data in any of above table column. Lastly, we have write get method. This method will execute query and return result in PHP array object which we have store under $data variable. Now we have write $total row variable is equal to $data variable with count method. This method will return number of rows in query execution. After this we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $total row variable value greater than 0. If this condition false, then it will execute else block of code, and under this we have write $output variable, and under this we have append HTML table code with no data found message. But suppose above condition true, then it will execute if block of code, and under this we have write for each loop with $data variable as $row variable. Under this loop we have write $output variable, and under this variable we have append HTML open and close table row tag. Under this we have write table data tag, and between this we have write $row variable with object customer name. This code will print customer data. In second table data tag we have write $row variable with object address table column. It will print address data. In third table data tag we have write $row variable with object city table column. It will print city data. In fourth table data tag we have write $row variable with postal code table column. It will display postcode data. In last table data tag we have write $row variable with country table column. It will print country name under this tag. So this way we store data in $output variable. Now we have write $data variable is equal to array with table data key with values get from $output variable. Same way total data key values has been get from $total row variable. This way we have store data in $data variable. Now we want to send data to Ajax request, so we have write echo statement with JSON encode function with $data argument. This function will convert array to JSON string and send to Ajax request. Now we have go to live search.blade.php view file, and here we have called fetch customer data function. So when page has been load, then this function has been called and it will display data on web page. Now we want to set root for live search controller index method and action method, so we have go to root folder web.php file. Here we have write root class with get method with two argument like /live search link and live search controller @index method, so here we have called index method of live search controller. Same way for action method we have again write root class with get method and under this we have write two argument like live search controller name /action method. And in second argument we have write live search controller @action method, that means we have called action method of live search controller. Here we have add one more name method for Ajax URL option, and under this method we have write live search controller.action method. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, here we have write base URL of Laravel with controller name live search in browser, then on web page we can see customer data in HTML table format. Above table we can see one text box for search data from this table, so when we have enter any search query under this table then it will search data according to query and display filter data on web page. For search data we have go to live search view file and here we have write $document with on method and under this we have write key up event. With text box ID search, so when we have type something under text box then it will execute this block of code. Under this block we have write query variable is equal to $this with value method. This code will fetch search text box and store under this query variable. Below this we have called fetch customer data function and under argument we have write query variable. This function will filter customer data according to value of query variable. Now friends, first we have refresh web page and now we have write USA under text box. After enter this query under search box then it has display customer data whose country is USA. Same way we have write John under search box, then it has search John whose name is John and that data has been display on web page. So this way we can search customer table data in all table column. We have to just enter query under text box and filter data will be display on web page without refresh of web page. Live search of table data is a required feature of any web application, and if we have used Laravel for web application then you can use the source code as reference for your web development. This way we can make simple live data search application in Laravel by using Ajax. If you have any query regarding this video tutorial part, please comment your query in comment box, and if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.